Cadillac time here. 1963 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Nice looking car. A little bit of a kind of street rod theme done to this a little bit. Some things been changed on it since it was stock back in '63 and rolled off the Cadillac showroom. First of all, as you can see, it's riding on US mag wheels. Paint on this car, very nice, and it is put on also extremely well. The color on it is that kind of diamond white, if you will. The pearl, you'll hear it called lots of times. The camera and the video, tough to get it to do justice. There you get an idea, kind of the depth that it has to it. Again, you know, not a true white. It's a diamond or pearl in color. It's a nice looking car with those wheels, that paint, as you can see, chrome and bright work up in the front of this car. Also a nice shape. Now underneath the hood, that's one of the major changes that's been done. It does have a 6-liter V8 underneath there. That is paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission with overdrive. So basically what you're looking at is more of a classic car with a modern powertrain to it. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, check out the interior, underside. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Front disc brakes. Now we do have technicians that will go through our cars in the back and fill out an inspection form on them, so feel free to consult with your sales associate when you call in about that at all. This one I did notice the brakes were good on it. Pads, rotors, brakes in good shape. Played around with it a little bit myself also. Wipers worked fine. Radio, little touchy as far as the reception, but it does work, and I could get a station in and it was fine. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with getting this car transported, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with a sales associate when you call in or email. And you can look up and down. You can see how straight that car is. You get a car this long, that paint isn't put on right, car still isn't straight, it really shows up. And again, you can see how consistent and the quality of the paint is all the way around it, looking good. Nice reflection. Of course, the 63 wings in the back, straight up and down. Again, chrome and bright work. Like it's a nice shape. Car has had a repaint, obviously, from the original color. Originally a blue car with blue interior. Interior has been kept similar to it would have been back in '63. Fender skirts. Take a look up and down the driver's side here too. Again, you can see how straight that car is and how nice the paint's laid on it. 308 gears in the rear. According to the technician, the car drives out nicely also. Alright, so now you have a two-tone interior now with the white and blue combination to highlight the white in the car. Carry along the original blue theme on the interior. Of course, with the Coupe DeVilles and the hard top, there's no post in between the rear seats and the front. Power windows all work. Door panel in nice shape. Seats also appear to be in nice shape. Didn't look like they have had any rips or tears, holes in them. Obviously appear that they have been reupholstered. Now let's go ahead and fire this up. So you can hear it run. Of course, with the 6-liter, it's going to be fuel injected. So we're just going to turn this key. See how easily it starts. Dash in nice shape. Headliner also. Let's take a peek at that a second here. good shape. Slip around to the back seat here. A little bit of rumble coming out of that V8, but nothing over the top or too crazy. I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood, show you a few things underneath there, and we'll conclude this video. So hang on a second, let me pause it, get the hood popped, and we'll check it out. Alright, so a little custom work underneath there. Take a look at the hood liner, or lack of hood liner, but nice painted, finished off hood. Nice shape. Little metal fabrication done to the top of the engine, dress it up a little bit. Cadillac logo on it. Now, as far as equipment on this car, of course, power steering, power brakes. It does have an aluminum radiator that's been added. Appears to be a DeVille radiator there. Cold air intake coming off the front of that 6-liter. EFI box back there. As you see with the letters, or I should say lights flashing there. There you go. Nice and smooth running engine. Looks good. So here you have it, 1963 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. A little bit of a street rod with some newer amenities on it, especially the driveline. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.